નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead in the third part of the first episode. What's there? I held up the chair like a shield. Which figures of speech like is given? Chair, original aspect, shield, comparative aspect, compared with the word like. Naturally, this is simile. Got the idea? I held up the chair like a shield and flourished it, kept in front of the tiger as a shield. Shield is equal to જેને આપણે ઢાલ કહીએ છીએ. That is the real safeguard, protector. And the tiger hesitated and fell back a step or two. Having seen my this condition, the tiger went back, hesitated, what to do, what not to do, that condition, and fell back a step or two. એક બે ડગલા પાછળ હટી ગયો. Because I adjusted chair like a shield for me. Now once again, we spent some time watching for each other's movements. આપણે જ કંઈ કરવાનું જ નહોતું, જે કંઈ કરવાનું હતું એ બધું ટાઈગરે કરવાનું હતું. Yet we means the writer and tiger both spent some time watching each other's movements. ટાઈગર વિચારે છે કે આપણું ડિનર જે છે એ કેમ મળે. And the writer thinks, plans how to escape from the situation. What I did, I held my breath and waited. I held my breath. શ્વાસ ભરીને રાખ્યો. શ્વાસ ભરીને રાખ્યો means thought deeply in my mind what to do, what not to do. And then I waited for a while. એવું તો કંઈક કરવું પડશે ને કે અહીંથી છુટકારો મળે યાર. નહીંતર જે કંઈ કરવાનું છે આપણે કાંઈ નથી કરવાનું. જે કંઈ કરવાનું છે એ બધું ટાઈગરે જ કરવાનું છે. I held my breath and waited for a while. The tiger stood there fiercely, waving its tail. પૂંછડી પટપટાવતો tiger, fiercely with angry mood, stood there only. આજ તો હવે એક જ વસ્તુ છે. શું? પકડ लिया તો છોડતે નહીં. And that was waving its tail. પૂંછડી પટપટાવતો તૈયાર જ થઈને બેઠો હતો. which sometimes struck the side wall and sent forth a third. એક વર્ડ અહીંયા વપરાયેલો છે, થર્ડ. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ જે છે એ ઉપરથી નીચે પડે અને સરફેસ ઉપર પડતાની સાથે જે સાઉન્ડ રિફ્લેક્ટ થાય, that is known as a third. Which sometimes struck the side walls. So waving its tail હતી. એ શું થાય? સાઇડ વોલ સાથે સ્ટ્રક થાય. And sent for the third. હવે એ જે ભટકાય એનો અવાજ આવે. હવે એ કેવી બીક લાગે વિચાર કરો. Because the tiger is in front of you. He suddenly crouched down without taking his eyes off me. One word is used here, crouch down. Mostly all the animals, domestic or wild, જમીન ઉપર પગને બેન્ડ વાળીને બેસે. That situation is known as crouch down. A word એની માટે વપરાયેલો છે. He suddenly crouched down without taking his eyes off. Taking eyes off means એક ક્ષણ માટે પણ નજર હટાવવી નથી. Staring, gazing constantly without taking his eyes off me, and scratched the floor with his claws. આ વસ્તુ તમે કૂતરામાં પણ જોઈ શકશો. So many times you would have seen the dog scratching the floor with his claws. પોતાના પગના પંજાથી જમીનને, ફ્લોરને સ્ક્રેચિંગ કરતો હોય. હજી એક સારું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું. You would have seen the same situation in cricket also. બેટ્સમેન જે છે એ આવીને લેગ ગાર્ડ લે કે મિડલ ગાર્ડ લે, પછી એ પોતાના સ્પાઇકથી સ્ક્રેચ ફ્લોર કરતો હોય છે. That you would have seen it. I felt it. I told it myself. ટાઈગર આ શું કામ કરે છે ખબર છે? He is sharpening them. Them means claws and nails. Claws and nails. He is sharpening for me. એ મારી માટે તૈયાર જ કરે છે. પકડ लिया તો છોડતે નહીં. આ બાજુ હાથમાં આવ્યો નથી, દુનિયા પૂરી થઈ નથી. I told myself. શાર્પનિંગ કરે છે. Yes, correct. The little shack had already acquired the smell of a zoo. One word is used here, the little shack. A shack જે છે ને, here you will think it as a cage. શું કામ? ઝૂની અંદર જે કેજ જે છે, that is a limited space for the animal. So that here the word is used, the little shack. A little shack ની અંદર જે animal છે, that is tiger, had already acquired the smell of zoo. How the tiger is in the zoo. અને ઝૂની અંદર જે સ્મેલ હોય છે, that he is able to identify animals and human beings there. શું કામ? એ ઝૂની અંદર જે સ્મેલ આવતી હોય, that smell is of meat, flesh. એ મને આવી ગઈ હતી. And it means that smell made me sick. હવે તમારથી કાંઈ નહીં થાય. મોત. It made me sick, little bit weak. The tiger kept scratching the floor with his forepaws. Forepaws આગળના પગના જે નોર છે. Forepaws. The tiger kept scratching. એણે તો જમીન ખોદવાની ચાલુ જ રાખી. Scratching. શું કામ? He is sharpening them. Them means paws and claws for me. It was the most hideous sound you could think of it. It, the scratching sound, what the tiger kept scratching, that sound was the most hideous, fearful, what we should hide from our memory could think of it. Why is it so? Because entire situation was so fearful for me. Got the idea? In this way, we have completed this third episode of uh, first part. What's there after this? One activity is given there. Match the words A and B that you can do yourself. Now, few question answers are there. This you will try with the first paragraph, with the second paragraph, with the third paragraph. Everything is given there. What's there in second part? Second part in fourth episode, what's there? That we will come to know later. Till that, activity 3 you will complete, and few question and answers are there. It's very simple. I'll send it to you with my own handwriting with the support of your workbook. But till that, just you try your level best. Okay? Got the idea? Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.